This is a Torah scroll. It's carefully housed front and center at every synagogue, and ultimately the core of every Jew's life. If you open it up, you'll find hundreds of columns of expertly handwritten letters. Unfurled, it's about as long as 8 giraffes, and just counting the letters would take you roughly 3 days. I'll save you some time. It's exactly 304,805. Every single one of these letters must be perfectly formed by a pious scribe. If even one tiny letter is missing, the entire scroll can't be used until it's fixed. That's because the Torah is more than a bunch of letters. It's a unified entity where those letters join to tell a single story, our story. If you look between the lines, the black letters are all surrounded by white, representing God's infinite light that surrounds and binds us all as one. In 1981, the Rebbe suggested a creative way for Jewish children everywhere to experience that unity. Every Jewish child under bar or bat mitzvah age should purchase a letter of their own in a real Torah scroll for the symbolic price of $1. The new Torah scroll would then unite those children as one. Jewish unity is not merely an abstract ideal. It should be tangible, palpable, and practical for even children to experience. Writing an authentic Torah scroll typically takes over a year, but with all the excitement, that first children's Torah was completed in a matter of months. All of the letters had been claimed by Jewish children around the world, and a grand celebration was held in the old city of Jerusalem, where that Torah scroll is housed today. Another Torah was then begun, and another, with 2.5 million Jewish kids buying their letters, and there's even one being written right now. The campaign has also expanded and grown to include adults as well, with unity Torahs for all Jews of all ages, demonstrating the unbreakable unity that keeps all Jewish people together and channels extra divine energy to each participant. Here's how you can take part. Kids, you can claim your very own letter today in a matter of minutes. Once you sign up, you'll automatically be assigned a letter and can receive a special certificate in the mail, letting you know which Torah portion your letter is in. Grown-ups, you can do the same and stand beside millions of your Jewish brothers and sisters, united in God's book. When the Torah was given at Mount Sinai, the entire world stood still. There was a moment of global harmony and peace. Today, whenever a new Torah is written, a bit of that Sinai energy is renewed, reintroducing that harmony to the world around us. And it all starts with a single letter. Have you claimed yours?